Welcome to all present here. In previous section we have seen the chemical equation, how to balance the chemical equation we have seen, and we did also. So the steps you have to learn, you have to by heart at home. After finishing the lesson, I'll take a test, and in the test you have to write down everything. Now in this session I am going to see we are going to see types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions we have seen, chemical equation, how to balance a chemical equation, how to write a chemical equation, heat trial method, everything we have seen. Now we are going to see the types of chemical reactions. We have learned in the class 9 that during a chemical reaction, atoms of one element do not change into those of another element, nor do atoms disappear from the mixture or appear from elsewhere. Actually, chemical reactions involve the breaking and the making of the bonds between the atoms to produce new substances. You will study about the types of bonds formed between the atoms in the chapter 3 and 4. But we didn't see, I have started this lesson. Afterwards, I tell you how the types of bonds are formed between the atoms and all everything. First chemical reaction is combination reaction. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, reduction, oxidation, these all are the types of reactions. So first of all we are going to see combination reaction. In figure number 1.3, formation of lime by the reaction of calcium oxide with water is given. Beaker, here we have seen a beaker. In the beaker water is added. In water calcium oxide is added. Slaked lime, calcium oxide, CaO. Slaked lime means calcium oxide, CaO. Take a small amount of calcium oxide or a quick lime in a beaker and slowly add water into this. Touch the beaker as shown in the figure. Do you feel any change in the temperature? We are going to see this reaction in the laboratory, but you will feel some changes in the temperature of the reaction when reaction is going on, when calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, releasing a large amount of heat. Slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, and lime water, calcium oxide, lime water, calcium oxide, slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, releasing a large amount of heat. In this reaction, CaO plus H2O gives out CaOH twice. OH group means hydroxide group. Calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide, releasing a large amount of heat there. So you will feel somewhat warm while reaction is going on. In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product, calcium hydroxide. Such a reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants, and it is known as combination reaction. You have seen here at the LHS side, two reactants are present, CaO and H2O. CaO and H2O means quick lime and water. It is there. Two reactants are present. When these two reactants combine together to form one product, which product is formed? Slaked lime, CaOH twice. In aqueous means in water, the solution present in water. CaOH twice, hydroxide, OH hydroxide group, calcium hydroxide. In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product, that is calcium hydroxide, and such a reaction in which single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as combination reaction. So what would be the definition of combination reaction? The reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as combination reaction. A solution of slackline produced by the reaction 1.13, the figure name, is used for whitewashing walls. Slackline solution, where it is used? Whitewashing walls. Calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with the carbon dioxide in the air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the walls. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice, it reacts slowly with carbon dioxide in the air. Calcium hydroxide when reacts with carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate is formed, CaCO3. Calcium carbonate formed after 2 to 3 days of whitewashing and gives a shiny finish to the walls. It is interesting to note that chemical formula of marble is also CaCO3. Calcium carbonate, CO3 group, calcium carbonate, Ca means calcium and CO3 group में carbonate group, calcium carbonate group. CaOH twice plus CO2 gives out CaCO3 plus H2O. CaOH2 plus CO2 gives out CaCO3 plus H2O. CaOH twice म्हणजे calcium hydroxide. CO2 means carbon dioxide. It is in the gaseous form. So states are also given in the while writing the chemical equation. CaOH twice aqueous. CO2 is in gaseous form. Gives out CaCO3 calcium carbonate which is in the solid form, and H2O it is in the liquid form. Let us discuss some more examples of combination reaction. What is combination reaction? The reaction in which two or more reactants forms a single product. That reaction is known as combination reaction. Product is one, but reactants are two or more. Burning of coal. Burning of coal is also a combination reaction. Coal C. Burning means O2. In the presence of oxygen gas it burns because oxygen supports burning. That is why CO2 is formed. C plus O2. C is in solid state, coal. O2 is in gaseous state. C plus O2 gives out CO2. CO2 is a gas. Carbon dioxide. Formation of water from H2 and O2. Formation of water from H2 gas and O2 gas. H2 means hydrogen gas, O2 means oxygen gas. So formation of water H2 and O2 means H2 plus O2 gives out 2H2O. 2H2 plus O2. Balanced equation. H2 plus O2 gives out H2O. It is here actually it is balanced reaction as given. 2H2 plus O2 gives out 2H2O. If you will see here at the reactant side O2, O is having two atoms and product side only one atom it is there. So we have added 2 in front of H2O in product side and we have added 2, that is why H atom, if you will see the quantity of H atom in the product side, 2 multiplied by 2 means 4 atoms of hydrogen. It is there in the product side. So what we should do then? We should add again 2 more into reactant side in front of hydrogen.